Here we have a 2014 Kia Forte LX. Has a 1.8 liter inline-4 engine, automatic transmission, and just over 74,000 kilometers. For the interior, we have your power mirrors, windows, and lock controls, all situated below the door handle there, and plenty of storage at the bottom with a cup holder right by your speaker. We do have a black-on-black combination for the interior with cloth bucket seats up front. The Forte uses a traditional turnkey ignition system, and it has 74,025 kilometers on the odometer. Here we have your eco mode, traction control button, and your gauge cluster illumination controls. This side of the steering wheel, we have your stereo and Bluetooth controls. And this side controls the other part of the stereo, so your like station select and mode. And then your trip reset button below there. For the stereo, you get AM, FM, and XM radio. You have USB and auxiliary input, Bluetooth connectivity, and a CD player. We have your climate control with air conditioning below that. Automatic transmission, of course. We'll just get that out of the way. And underneath here, we have two 12-volt inputs, as well as your USB and auxiliary. Kind of hide that away if you don't need it. Then we have two cup holders in your handbrake, armrest in the middle, and then you have this tray that you can remove if you need, and gives you plenty of storage in there. The Kia Forte comes with 15-inch steel wheels with OEM Kia wheel covers. Have a nice black color for the exterior. Four-door sedan with tinted rear windows. Along the back here, we have your badging for Forte and Kia. And we'll take the key fob, hold the trunk release button, pops open for you there. And in here, you do get plenty of storage space. There's a tab on each side that you pull to fold down the rear seats, or unlock them, I should say. And then underneath here, there's a little tab that you can pull. And you can see we have your tire inflator kit in there. For the rear interior, we have your power window switch right in the middle with your door handle up in the corner. We have a bit of storage and a cup holder at the bottom by your speaker. You do get a fair amount of legroom and headroom in the back. It is 3 seats in the back, making the capacity of the vehicle 5 total. I already showed you how you can fold them down, but you can also see behind the seats, we have your child seat anchors, super easy to find. This is the 2014 Kia Forte LX. If you're interested in this automatic sedan, you can go to parkmazda.ca to fill out the form to book your test drive. When you come down, we get you a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.